Bye. Angel. Hey guys, Angry Dave here. And I want to turn my PlayStation 3 on. I don't know if you guys see me, you probably can. And all up here, look what my cats did. They chewed the living crap out of my PS3 cord. That's why my TV was blank and I couldn't play my PS3. And look at, I got the, look at this. So you're the one that's chewing on my PlayStation 3 cords, Angel Bell. Huh? You chewed my PS3 cord so I'd have a blank TV and not be allowed to play PlayStation. Look at this. Look at that. Definitely tell she's the one that did it. You're not a nice kitty, Angel. You go and you chew a hole. And now, look at that. You definitely tell that, yep, okay. There we go. So she's the one that's been chewing on my PS3 cord. So you're the one that's been doing that. Bad kitty. Bad kitty. Okay, I found another cord. You're lucky. Just don't chew on my other one, okay? I don't care if you chew on that now because you've obviously already ruined it. Just don't chew on my new one. Bad kitty. Yeah, I don't lose you now. Anyways, guys, I'm going to end this video now and say subscribe and peace out. Come on.